Optics morning Twitter, the melody of all books can be heard from the clear. A sound that gently plays a melody. There's the sound of nature awakeness in the stream. I feel her alive again, so swan in green and color flowers, all and creeks sing aloud, day and night to us. That is just a beautiful moment. Now the red flower I would steal for you. In a lovely voice, I would sing a song to you. If I'm in love with you, if I'm in love with you, my darling, with you. Sadly, the red flower blooms in the meadow, reminds me you and longs for closeness you are. Quietly says how beautiful I am, like roses trapped in a world of passion. A trembling red flower in nature is beautiful where you are. Now the red flower I would steal for you. In a lovely voice I would sing a song to you. If I'm in love with you, if I'm in love with you, my darling, with you. Sadly, a red flower blooms in the meadow, reminds me you and longs for closeness you are. Now the red flower I would steal for you. In a lovely voice, I would sing a song to you. If I'm in love with you, if I'm in love with you, my darling, with you. Sadly, red flower blooms in the meadow, reminds me you and longs for closeness you are. Reminds me you and longs for closeness you are. Reminds me you and longs for closeness you are.